Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Skisea wireless Apple CarPlay car stereo, portable 9-inch touchscreen Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2.5K dash cam, 1080p backup camera DVR. Drive made CarPlay navigation with mirror link, Siri, FM, Bluetooth. You can find for what you want. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Wireless Apple CarPlay. Experience wireless connectivity between your phone and car's infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay. Simply enter your car, your iPhone will seamlessly connect to the system. Enjoy direct access to your iPhone's apps, maps, and features via the car's touchscreen display. Effortlessly control your iPhone using Siri's voice commands. Wireless/wired Android Auto. Android Auto car stereo empowers your Android phone to utilize its features through your car's infotainment system. Similar to CarPlay, Android Auto can be accessed via the car's touchscreen display or voice commands. This Android Auto screen also supports Android wired connection, which resolves the issue of certain models that are unable to. Please note, wireless Android Auto is compatible with Android 11 and above. 2.5K/1080p front and rear camera. Portable wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car can be used as a dash cam system for cars and trucks. 2.5K HD front camera and an 1080p rear camera, allowing you to view both front and rear camera footage simultaneously. This feature enhances safety and effectiveness, particularly accurate real-time positioning and GPS. 9-inch HD Touch CarPlay screen provides precise real-time positioning and GPS navigation without delay. The voice-guided navigation through your car's speaker ensures safe driving and provides real-time route suggestions for traffic jams and lane changes. Bluetooth, AUX, FM transmission. You can connect to the phone Bluetooth through the car stereo and CarPlay. Android Auto, you have the option to transfer the audio to your car's speakers for louder sound. Our car radio receivers can also connect to an FM transmitter, enabling wireless transmission on the same channel as your car's FM radio. All audio will be played through the original car speaker. Easy installation and fit all different car. Plug and play directly with dashboard via Connect cigarette lighter. You don't need to disassemble your car's console, keep your car original radio, perfect coexistence. The car radio with screen is suitable for most motor vehicles, such as cars, trucks, vans, buses, pickups, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.